Hey guys, so my name is Andrew Hart and I am the SC at Digital New Zealand, and I just want to go through a quick overview of the Meraki dashboard and my three favourite features about the dashboard. So probably a good place to start would be, what is the Meraki dashboard? So the dashboard is a centralised cloud-based network management tool which makes managing the network as a whole simple, while at the same time providing a comprehensive feature set through its intuitive user interface and easy to use functionality, which in all provides a great user experience. And so I guess just a quick overview of the dashboard itself. So you can sort of do the overview of the organization. It provides maps of where the offices are and where the devices are. So we've got the university wireless, which has 50 devices. We've got 2 branches here, so the branch firewall, the branch wireless, which is a total of 6 devices. And here down in Texas, we have another 2 networks, the firewall and the switching network with 4 devices. And so we can you can segment the networks for ease of management. So we can separate it into the branch firewalls, the branch wireless, the switches, or the university wireless. So I guess, what are my 3 favorite things about the Meraki dashboard? So number 1 would be the reporting on the wireless and what you can do with the information. So if we go to the university wireless, which I believe we already are, and just drill down to the clients as a network-wide view. It actually provides a sort of pie chart of what applications are being used by all the users. And we can see that the Netflix for the last day has used quite a lot of a bandwidth. So what we can do with that, we can actually choose to block Netflix. And so we can actually do this on the access points themselves, since they support layer 7 application firewalling. So we can just go wireless, go firewall and traffic shaping, and we can quickly add the layer 7 firewall rule. So just go down to video and music, open up the list, and find Netflix. And it's really as simple as that. So we can push that to the SSID or even to specific user groups. Or if we decide that we don't want to block it for everyone, but we just want to limit its use, and so the use of the bandwidth in the network, we can delete that layer 7 firewall and just add a traffic shaping rule. So you create a new rule. We just select the same category as last time, so video, music, and we find Netflix, and then we can choose what bandwidth we want to associate to this application. So we want to just throw that down to 400K, and that way users can continue to use it, but it doesn't impact the speeds on the network. And we just save the changes, and it's pushed to the whole SSID, which is for students. So my other favorite thing about the dashboard is sort of the overview of the organization, and which sort of provides system-wide visibility. So let's go back to the overview. And again, as I was saying before, it shows all our networks, where they're spread out to. We can simply just click on these networks, and it'll actually take us down to the site and then show us what devices are there. So we can do this for the switching network or the wireless network. And we can actually see all the IPs from quickly drill down and find out information about a specific AP. And all the information's right there. It really makes managing and sort of viewing devices over a large geographic region quite easy. And so my third favorite thing about the Meraki dashboard would probably be the switching side of it. So we just go to switching network. And why I really like this is it's quite easy to use. We can configure ports from the GUI, we can run tests. You don't have to go down to the command line. You don't need those quite techy engineers to be on site to be there at the site configuring the switches or remoting in by SSH. And so we can go down to the switch. We can see the health of the switch and its connectivity over the past day, the past week. We can see the IP address straight away. You can see its spanning tree information. And if say we wanted to push out a config change over many ports rather than just doing it for the one switch, we can go through the switch ports, and this is going to show ports for all switches in the network once it loads. And so we're just going to say switch 3. And so 24 ports, so we can just select all, we can edit, and we can push out changes to all the ports on the switch quite easily. So whether it's disabling ports, changing the spanning tree, disabling PoE, anything really, or changing native VLANs, allowing VLANs, it's really quite simple, and that's really Meraki in a nutshell. It's simple, easy to use, but still provides a comprehensive feature set. All right, thanks guys.